now I can. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we are going to the vending machine. See there, and also there's this little poo-poo. Like and subscribe if you like this puppy, because he's a shy puppy. He doesn't. He's shy. He's shy about new people.
Obviously not. He still had
All right, we'll skip to there. See you at the vending machine.
Get your snack.
All right, let's go get snack.
Can you get back on YouTube?
Yep, snappers. I unpaused that door, the automatic door open. Oh, I thought the lights were not gonna turn on. Like, whew, that was weird.
All right,
There's
what do you want?
there's a
Let's
piano over there. Okay. All right. Who have a J? There's no J in here.
No. What do you like?
I think I'll do Kit Kat.
Kit Kat?
E5.
You push it.
Wait, actually, no.
Okay, it's
Dang.
okay. You got time.
Oh, okay. Cheez-Its is what I want.
Okay. What's the number?
C2. I just press C2. Alright.
There you go.
Let's get it out of here. Did we get any change?
Nope. They were $1.
Oh, that was $1. I thought, oh, there's fire alarm strobe. Oh, there's a trouble message on the panel, I think. Oh, yeah, it says, wait, there's no key inside it. It says, press acknowledge to review. Trouble, press acknowledge to review. I don't know, it probably might be a battery problem in a fire alarm strobe. One fire alarm strobe. We're just waiting for the elevator to come down. All right. Go, open up. My magic spell worked. All right, I pressed 2. It's really hard to do with the camera. I'll just throw this on the floor.
Here, give it to me.
Oh, okay. Watch the light turn off. Come on, turn off light. Oh, it turned off. Yep. And also there's a little, oh, here we go. There's 1 and 2. We're on the 2nd floor. What's that? Okay.
It's a storage room.
We gotta be quiet. By the way, that door's a storage room. Because they might be in there. They might be in there. I heard your footsteps. And here we are, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, and also that puppy was barking. See you next time. Bye.